This is for you. Yeah, you know Panama? Remember, guys, follow me on my Instagram. I want to know more about you. So, I hope to see you on my Instagram. Don't stop. Just let me know. Hey, welcome, you people here. How are you? Come on. Don't be shy. Oh. Sure. I don't know how. Hello, hello. How are you? Thank you for liking. Thank you so much. This is for you. Remember, tap on the screen. Share this one. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know. So thank you. Thank you. What? No. Thank you. You're so amazing. Remember, follow me on my Instagram, guys. I have a lot in there. You can see more there on my Instagram. Thank you. Hello, you people here. How are you? I can't do that. No. No. No, I can't do that. Hello. Remember, guys, tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. No. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you today? Welcome to my life. Hi. Really? What happened? What? Yeah, what happened in Ethiopia? Hello. Thank you for sharing. You're so amazing. Remember, guys, follow me on my Instagram. Click here. Ding, 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 ding. Click here. On my bio, I have the direct link to my Instagram. So click there. Okay. Hello, welcome, new people. How are you today? Hello. How are you? Thank you for liking. Hi, good night. Thank you for you. You help me a lot, really. Thank you so much. Big kiss for you. No, I am not. I am single. Hey, welcome. How are you? Where you from, guys? Remember, follow me on my Instagram. I have my Instagram. Click here. On my video, I have the direct link. So, click my Instagram. This is for you. Thank you for all help. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello. Welcome. Bye bye. How are you? How are you today? Remember, guys, tap on the screen. Tap on the screen. And I hope to see you on my Instagram. If you want to know more about me or you want. Hello. How are you today? You're welcome.